We're living through a time of global shift. It's time to go inward to plant seeds for a healthier future. So we're holding a virtual retreat this Easter, 4 days of live sessions to develop resilience in our body, mind, and spirit, boost our immune systems with yoga practices and nutrition workshops designed to nourish us internally, help us let go of old patterns and conditioning, and create a space to share and be supported by a community of amazing people from around the world. We want to share the vision we're holding here at Amara Valley of a future where we can thrive in harmony with nature and with each other. We invite you to join us. What is being forged now will guide the direction of our lives in years to come.